Hello friends, in this video I am starting linear inequation. First I will give you the introduction about linear inequation, terms related to it, and then we will do the few questions. So first thing, what are the linear inequations? All the statements having less than, greater than, less than equal to or greater than equal to symbol are called linear inequations in one variable. One variable means we have only x here as a variable. Second thing is replacement set. Replacement set means set from which values of variable are chosen. We will be given here one set. From that set only we have to choose the values. Third thing is solution set. Solution set means the set of all the solutions, because here we will get many answers and then we have to make a set of all the solutions. Fourth thing, rules for solving these linear inequations. So I am explaining here transposition rule, that I am explaining through example. So first, if you have any term in addition one side and you want to shift another side, then it will change into minus. In this example you can see 2x plus 3 greater than 5. So this plus 3, if we shift another side of greater than symbol, then it will become minus 3. So 2x greater than 2, then this 2 also if you shift, then x greater than 1. Second rule, if any term is in subtraction here and you are shifting another side of symbol, then it will become plus. Here this minus 3, when you will shift another side, then it will become plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8, and then 2 also you can shift. Third rule, if any term is in division and when you will shift another side of symbol, it will become multiplication. This 3 you can see, this 3 if you shift another side, it will become multiplication. So 5 into 3, 15. Then this 2 also you can shift. Fourth rule, if any number is in multiplication and you are shifting another side, then it will go for division. This 2, when you will shift another side, it will go for division. 8 divided by 2, 4. Fifth and most important rule, if you are shifting symbol another side, if you are getting at last minus x less than 5, but we have to write our answer in x form, not in minus x. So in that case we have to shift this minus symbol another side. In that case you have to change this symbol also, reverse this symbol. If it is less than, make it greater than. If it is greater than, then make it less than. Just reverse it. Then sixth thing is representing your solution on number line. So in this 2 points are there. If the replacement set is I means integer, z also integer, natural number or whole number, in these cases you have to mark the numbers here. Suppose your answer is coming, solution set is 1 and 2. So just mark 1 and 2. Second condition, if replacement set is R. If replacement set is given R, in that case what you have to do, suppose solution set is minus 3 less than x less than equal to 2. So minus 3, mark minus 3 and mark 2. Which side only less than or greater than symbol is there, then you have to mark a hollow circle, small circle. If equal to also is there with that, less than equal to or greater than equal to, in that case that circle you have to fill and join this line from here to here. Now we will do few questions from exercise 4 ML Agarwal book. First question, solve the inequation 3x minus 11 less than 3 where x belongs to 1, 2 up to 10. Also represent its solution on a number line. So here inequation is given 3x minus 11 less than 3. First this minus 11, when we will shift another side of less than symbol, it will become plus. So 3 plus 11, 14. Next step, this 3 also we will shift another side. It is here in multiplication. When we will shift another side, it will go for division. So 14 divided by 3 is equal to 4.6. X values which are less than 4.6. So from this set 1 to 10, which values are less than 4.6? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So solution set is here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Represent on number line. First draw a line with the help of scale. Both side arrows should be there. Mark 0 and then positive integers right side and negative integers left side. Then mark your solution set 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second question. Solve 2x minus 3 less than 1 and x belongs to 1 to 10 here. Similar type of question. 2x minus 3 less than 1. So first multiply this 2 inside the bracket. 2 into x 2x, 2 into 3 6. Next step, this minus 6 shift another side of less than symbol. So 1 plus 6 7. Then this 2 also you have to shift another side. It is here in multiplication. When you will shift another side, it will go for division. 7 by 2 3.5. So x less than 3.5 means 1, 2, 3. Represent on number line. So same thing you have to do. Draw the number line and mark both side arrow. 0, positive integers, negative integers, and mark only 1. Question number 3. Solve 5 minus 4x greater than 2 minus 3x. X belongs to whole number. Also represent its solution on the number line. In this question, 5 minus 4x greater than 2 minus 3x. So this 2 is here in addition. We have to shift another side. It will become minus. And parallelly this minus 4x, when we will shift another side, it will become plus 4x. So 5 minus 2, 3 greater than minus 3x plus 4x, x. Or we can write it as x less than 3. So x less than 3 and here replacement set is whole number. So from whole number you have to take the number less than 3. So 0, 1, 2. Draw number line, both the side arrow, mark 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right side, and mark only 0, 1 and 2. Question number 4. List the solution set of 30 minus 4 in bracket 2x minus 1 less than 30 given that x is a positive. So 30 minus 4, 2x minus 1 less than 30. First open this bracket, 4 into 2 8x minus 4 into minus 1. It will become plus 4. Now 30 plus 4 34 minus this 30 you can shift to this side, it will become minus 30, and this minus 8x when you will shift another side it will become 8x. So 34 minus 30 is 4 less than 8x, or we can write is x is greater than 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is equal to 0.5. So x value is greater than 0.5 and you have to take here answer from positive integers. So more than 0.5 positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and keep on going. Next question number 5. Solve 2 in bracket 2x minus 2 less than 3x minus 2. X belongs to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So first step we have to remove this bracket. 2 into x 2x, 2 into 2 4, and right side same only 3x minus 2. Now this minus 2 shift this side, it will become plus 2. This 2x shift another side, it will become minus 2x. So we have minus 2 is less than x, or we can say x is greater than minus 2. X is greater than minus 2. So greater than minus 2, from this replacement set, which are the values which are greater than minus 2? These values from minus 1 to 3 are greater than minus 2. So your answer is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Other questions we will discuss in next video. Thank you for watching.